So as we know, and probably anybody that owns Milwaukee Packouts knows, their original rolling box with the handle does not fit underneath a regular tonneau cover, which actually really sucks. But I think they came up with a solution, and so we purchased the modification, and we're going to see how it works or if it does at all. We'll have this product linked in the description if you are interested in purchasing it. So we've always just laid the box down, which works fine, and in this case we will probably continue doing it this way. However, on our other truck we would start standing the box up if we have that opportunity. So this is the normal handle right here, and how this works is you push this button and it opens, and it's just one full extension that goes down into there, and so it has to be fairly tall. So I don't exactly know how this is installed, but it looks like we need a Phillips driver to remove this screw. What? These are adjustable, I think. Anyway, you got to remove these screws. And that just takes a Phillips driver. Oh, that's all. Okay. All right, so that's all that's to it. And then we take this handle. And this one is a triple fold, and so it's the same. They're the same height. So you have the same end result once you have the handle up. So there's no difference there. It's just that it folds an extra time. So it looks like we can slide that down. Now, this is actually adjustable. It looks like you can screw into there or into there. And then you just pop that back in. As you can see, it's significantly lower. It works just the same as far as height. And it slides right underneath. That's actually kind of sweet. That works phenomenally. Now, one question I do have is whether it's sturdy when it's the whole way up. And it does seem like it is. I mean, it's relatively rigid. It's got a little bit of wiggle, but I wouldn't say there's just a lot more than the other one had, and it feels pretty sturdy, and it folds very easily. Overall, very impressed. So now, you can fold it right up, slide it right in, no problem. I personally think this is a must-buy when it comes to the Milwaukee Packouts. I don't see any true downside to this. Slight bit more flexibility maybe in the handle, which isn't really a problem. And the handle is lower to start, which I don't think that's a problem either, but it is a small difference. But I think this is a must-buy and kind of transforms your Packout system in a way, because now this box, you can keep it upright, and so you have a lot more options, and like the big trays that come with it, you could store smaller stuff in that and keep it upright all the time and it wouldn't spill everywhere. And so I think this is a phenomenal upgrade. I do question why they didn't do this in the first place, or why they haven't just changed over to doing this standard. I don't know. Maybe they're just trying to make money, but whatever. Anyway, you will want to purchase this handle. I think you're going to like it. We love it. That's it.